everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front section of your hairs and make two parts out of it. Now start attaching on the sides as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, make it into two and it's done. For next, take the front portion of your hair and divide it into two and do it as shown in the video. Now take the side portion and attach it with one another and then take the remaining hairs, make it into two parts. It's done. For next one, take the front section and then take other sections and then start attaching with the help of a rubber band. Do it as together and make two sections out of the remaining hairs, braid it nicely and it's done. For the next one, braid the front portion, then attach the clip to it. Now start rolling the clip onto the braid as shown in the video. Do it nicely and gently till the bottom as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, make two parts out of it and attach it as shown in the video and then start braiding it nicely and gently. Do it all together till the bottom and then attach it with a rubber band. It's done. For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair, pull it inside out and make two braids out of it. Now take another section of your video and tie it with the rubber band and do it all together and it's all done. For the next one, braid the front section of your hair. Now take the remaining section and attach it with the rubber band and do the same process. Now take the remaining hair, attach it to the bottom and then braid it nicely. It's done. For the next one, you need to take the front portion and braid it into two. Now start doing as shown in the video as it will look like this. Now start attaching it to the one another and make a braid out of it. It's done. For next one, make a half ponytail, braid it nicely and then start rolling it into a bun. Now take the remaining hairs, make a braid out of it, attach it and accessorize it with the hair strings properly and nicely and it's all done. It's looking cute and nice, right? Thanks for watching.